Hello. Today we're going to talk about the pros of universal health care, the United States debate on health care. We can afford to cover everyone in universal health care. According to Kaiser EDU, in 1990, the United States spent $714 billion on health care. In 2008, $2.3 trillion in health care. Why are these numbers so important? Well, we're spending as much as the UK, and we still cover no one on universal health care. The cost is so important for employers that they're choosing not to cover their employees and cut the cost of health care because they cannot afford to make a profit and cover their employees at the same time. Let's take a look at treatment procedures that affect coverage in universal health care. Why is treatment procedure so important? Efficiency is the ability to do something well or to achieve a desired result without wasteful energy or effort. Efficiency is already mandated by the United States government. It's mandated when you go to the hospital, you have to be treated for any injury or illness that you have when you go into the hospital. With this being said, a lot of people, instead of using primary care physicians, are using the hospitals as their primary care physician. And this is driving up the cost of health care. Now we've taken a look at efficiency as well as cost. You don't want to have having CPR before it's too late. You want to make sure that you're using a primary care physician to coordinate your care before having CPR and going to a hospital. We already cover everyone. Those people who have pre-existing conditions who cannot get health care currently use our Medicaid system in the United States. This is driving up the cost because those people should be able to be on any other health care plan, and the current guidelines with the health care reform has helped to alleviate some of those costs with pre-existing conditions. The pros on why the U.S. should have universal health care? Well, the study by Karen Robinson, a European health system versus the United Healthcare System, says that the United States pays about 15% of our gross national product, whereas the UK only pays 8%, and they cover everyone. So this should tell us we should definitely take universal health care. Now, we've taken a look at everything as far as universal health care. The most important is cost. Pre-existing conditions is second, with preventative treatment options as third. Now, in conclusion, why should we have universal health care system? Well, everyone should have equal access to coverage. With everyone being on a plan that is affordable, and the United States currently already pays for that amount, this would help drive down the cost in the healthcare industry. The cost is so high at the moment that it takes everything out of the healthcare industry to mandate the healthcare cost and to control it. That's why everyone is ranting and raving over the healthcare and debate. So I would say let's vote on universal healthcare for all.